Hello everyone and welcome back. If I'm not mistaken, this is episode 4 and we're still looking for a lot more stickers. So let us continue our journey on looking for stickers. We need 4 more. And that means a lot of work, a lot of hard work. Kill the ladybug! Mwahaha. I don't know if most people know this, but I'm gonna tell this now. The ladybugs you see are actually not ladybugs, they're an invasive species. The only way to actually know if it's a real one is if the color of a ladybug is like red, red. Get him. Get him! No! You rat! Ah! Again! I can't ever get him! Ever! We will never, ever get back together. That's what it's saying. Stop. You're so mean. You're really, really mean. Melt away, you rat. Do I still need? Yeah, I do. I'm gonna cry. It's like every single time. Every single time! How many stickers do I have? Okay, no, we're good. We have space. Else we don't. We do not have the stickers we are looking for. That's what we don't have. What? Oh, we'll get one. I did a bit off of the video, like just like 1 or 2, because I spawned and I was like sitting back down in my chair while I was returning on the camera. I didn't get anything though. Disappointing. But whatever. That's that, I guess. There's one there. Oh, now every time I turn around. Every time I turn around, there's one there. I'm gonna turn around and there's gonna be another one. There's one over here. Is that one still there? Yes, it is. No, there's one there. If I look over there, there's gonna be one there, and I see 3. I see maybe more than 3. There, no, just 3. I knew it. Two or 1? Or how about none? There's one there, now it's none, now there's none. There's one here. There's gonna be one over here. Wait, can I have it? Thank you. I'll watch. I'll watch. There's one here. Nothing there. Is there one over here? Yes, there is. It's like you turn away and then all of a sudden there's one there. Makes no sense. Oh, sticker! Ah, duck sticker! We needed a duck sticker. There's one of the stickers we need for a different task. Where is it? I think we needed 3. Let me check. Duck stickers. No, we need yellow mug. Dapper bear. Leaf stickers to dapper. Oh. There was one for ducks. What one was for ducks? What one was ducks? What? Must be hallucinating. When I swear there was a task that needed one for ducks. Let me check. I'll recheck. Let me see. Verbals. Goose, defeat ants, ladybugs. Use red field 5 times. Blender. Stickers. Go for spiders, because as soon as I stopped stream, I found another spider. They're all over my room right now. I don't know where they came from. Money tokens, that, nectar, coffee, mugs. I swear, maybe it was the coffee mugs? But I swear there was one that I needed for ducks. Collect the sticker by your tool. Maybe I finished it? Maybe I just needed... No, right here. I need one more duck. I was right. And I finished that task. That thing has a face. Interesting. Anyways. Nothing there, something there. Onwards! Nothing good. Don't you dare! You stay out while I'm recording. You are a menace to society, and the other one's a menace to society. Stop! How many times do I have to tell you not coming in my room? No! Bro, you don't listen. I said not to come in, and now your door's open. I want to fully close my door though. What if there's like a fire and then I gotta like zoom out like Sonic? And then you leave. What's the point in coming in here if you're just gonna walk in and leave? You doing it on purpose. Grr. We need, how many more now? We need 3 more. 3 more. What space do I have is a real question. I have 4 more spaces. But I feel like it lowers the chances of getting one the less space you have. Because then it knows you need more. Let me sort this. Do I have any doubles? I'm gonna get rid of that sticker and this sticker. Yeah, I'll just get rid of those ones, and now we have a bunch more space. There we go. There we go. There we go. Still nothing. Menace to society. Menace to society. Now it's gone. Now it's back. Nothing. Nothing. There's one over there. Two over here. What's this? What's up? Huh? We are going to stop this video a bit early because I'm gonna deal with the spiders. I'll be back right after. Give me a second though, because I want to get these last little ones before going, and then we'll end it, just so then I can get rid of the spiders, so I don't have to worry about those later. Because like if those get like big, like I prefer not having like 1,000 spiders in my vicinity. You know? Go die, bug. If you understand what I mean. So that will be the end of this video, and I'll see you in the next. Bye!